find it. And the people from here go to the spring, they bring water for the caravan, for the people, and they drink from this, you know. Yeah. And see also on the top of the camels there, you see the camels, the caravan of the camels?
Yeah.
You see in the top of the camels like three and in the top of this?
Yeah.
It's the meaning sign for the camels. Put it in the neck of the camels because when the camels lost, somebody find the camels. You see it belongs somebody, not wild animals, or not wild camels.
Right.
And see here under the camels, women catch boy and snake in front of them.
Oh, this bit here.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it's because a lot of snake in Wadi Ram area here before, and the people say this, be careful from the snake, and the people go to kill snake because not get many snake in the desert.
Right.
And the people afraid from this, you know, they're dangerous. And the people kill it because they don't...
In
get
Wadi
many
Ram
snake
here.
in the desert.
Inscriptions on the wall.
And see here is some people write camels